In this video, I will show you how to delete saved password in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon. You have not logged into your Chrome browser. Google will ask you to log in with your Google account detail. Just log in. Once you log in, simply scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on Google Password Manager. That's going to take you to all password you have in your Google Password Manager. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and review and see the one you want to delete from your Google Password Manager. For instance, I'm going to go ahead and select this particular account as an example. Then go ahead and verify your identity. Then here you go. You have the password right here. For you to delete the password, go ahead and click on delete right here. Delete password. Go ahead and click on delete. Boom, and you are done. It's that simple. You can review and delete as many as possible passwords in this category. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.